Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, what's our next chapter today, Shahid? Look over there. What's that? We need
teeth
when
we eat.
So, we have to start this today. We will do reading. You just have to listen carefully. Alright? So, see, you use your teeth to bite off the food you eat and to chew it up
Yeah, chew it up
into smaller pieces.
into smaller pieces.
These pieces have to be small enough for you to be able to swallow them. Alright, your teeth also help you to smile and to shape the words when you speak. So, teeth help us to, what you have to keep in your mind is your teeth also help us to smile and to shape the words when you speak. And also it helps to bite off the food and to chew it up. Alright, okay, got it?
Yes.
Now try to smile without showing your teeth. And have you heard someone who has no teeth trying to speak? Have you heard somebody? No,
Yes.
you haven't heard anybody smiling without teeth, because nobody can smile properly without teeth. Now we are going to move towards the next one, which is the baby teeth. Okay, we have two sets of teeth. The first one is baby teeth and the second one is permanent teeth or adult teeth, you can say. You have two sets of teeth during your life. How many sets of teeth we have? Two. All right. When you were babies, you did not need teeth as you could not eat solid food. Instead, you drank special milk from your mother or from a bottle, or you ate very soft foods. Do you remember?
Yes.
Do you know? Have you experienced?
Yes.
Yes. This milk this milk tooth help you to grow. This milk help you to grow by the time you were about 2.5 years. You have to keep in mind when the teeth start growing. This milk help you to grow by the time you were about 2.5 years old. You had grown your first set of teeth by the what time? 2.5 years old. All right, these are called milk teeth and they are 20 of them. How many of them? 20 of them. And they are called, the first set of teeth is called milk teeth. Okay, now we are moving towards the next set, that is called permanent or adult teeth. When you are between about 5 and 7 years, how many years? 5 and 7 years old, your permanent or adult teeth begin to grow. They slowly push on the milk teeth. The milk teeth become wobbly. Wobbly means they start moving and then falling. When the permanent teeth come, the milk teeth become wobbly, means they start to move, and one by one they fall out. Slowly the second set of tooth, the adult or permanent teeth, grow in their place, but you will not have the full set of 32 adult teeth. How many total number of teeth
30.
we have? 32. All right, until you are between about 17 and 25 years of age. What age? 17 and 25 years of age. Okay, getting it? These teeth will help to last you for the rest of your life, so you must look after them carefully. So what you have to do to taking care of your teeth? You have to brush twice in a day. All right,
day.
you have to brush twice in a day, at least for 2 minutes every time. Got it?
Yes.
Remember. Okay, come to the next one. Inside a tooth. First we talk about what is teeth. What is teeth? Okay, they help us to do what? And then we talked about baby teeth, the first set of teeth. Then we talked about permanent teeth, the second set, and the permanent set of teeth. Now we are going to move towards the inside a teeth, inside a tooth. That what do we have inside a tooth? A tooth have different shapes and sizes, but all teeth have two main parts. The crown, you have to keep in mind, in the crown is the white part of a tooth you can see. Show me your teeth. Yes, the upper part is called, you can say, this upper part, the white side of your tooth is called the crown.
The crown.
It is called
A crown.
the crown. The crown is the white part of a tooth you can see. Look over here. Under the crown is the root. Under the crown is the root. It holds the tooth in the gums. Inside the tooth are tiny blood vessels and nerves. So this is something which is inside a tooth. Now we are moving towards the next page. Different kinds of teeth. Now we are going to know about the different names. I think there are 4 types of teeth we are going to study. We have 4. Yes, exactly. There are how many kinds of teeth? 4 kinds of teeth. Each kind has a special job to do. You just have to listen it carefully. I'll ask you at the end. The incisors at the front are sharp. They are the front teeth are called incisors. Incisors. Repeat it.
Incisors.
Incisors. Okay. And at the front they are sharp. They are for biting food. So what purpose of the incisors? What is the purpose of the incisors?
Biting food.
Oh, sorry. To biting food. The canines are the canines are pointed for gripping and tearing food. The second part, see the first one, these are the first, they are incisors, and then we have the canines. This is this one, the sharp teeth.
Yes.
Like animals most of the time have this type of teeth. They are called canines. Okay, the canines are pointed for gripping and tearing food. Canines, what is the what does canine do? What do canine do?
Canines do teeth.
They grip and they tear food. The back teeth are called premolars and molars. They have wide bumpy tops. Look over here. When you chew, you rub the upper and the lower premolars and molars together. They crush and grind the food up into small pieces, ready for you to swallow it. Swallow it means to eat it and to take it in your stomach. So next is, as we shall see in the next unit, flesh eating. Flesh means meat eating. Animals like wolves and lions have big canine teeth because these are especially good for tearing up meat. Plant eaters like cows and rabbits have big molar teeth because these are better for grinding up plant matter. We have mixture of these kinds of teeth because we ate all kinds of food, both plants and meat. So what did you learn from this unit? We learned from this unit is what is teeth, and then how many sets of teeth are there. The first one is baby teeth. The first set is called baby teeth, then the permanent and adult teeth. Then what did we learn? We learned about the tooth, that what is inside the tooth, how many types of teeth are there. We have 4 kinds of teeth: incisors, the front teeth, then we have canines, then we have premolars and molars, and then we like studied about a little bit difference between the animal teeth and human being teeth. Okay, now we are going to do the assignments.